Businesses face enormous pressure to compete in today's marketplace. They face shorter innovation cycles, which means shorter times to compress development and production cycles. So in doing so, they need to have flexible, scalable manufacturing solutions. They need to be able to future-proof their business to be able to compete in that marketplace. So at SL Controls, we deliver a full suite of services to take you from where you are today to get you to where you need to be in the future. So factory automation is the first step in that journey. If you are introducing a new product or a new product introduction, if you need a capacity expansion to an existing manufacturing platform, or if you simply need continuous improvement projects to drive more efficiency out of the existing platforms, SL Controls will help manage solutions end-to-end in that space. At SL Controls, we have a very strong track record. We have an experienced team of automation engineers. We have the added advantage of having an in-house compliant automation group, validation group and serialization groups to give us the support we need. We have experience across the consumer, med device and pharma segments. We have experience in Industry 4.0 in leveraging emerging technologies and embedding them into existing manufacturing solutions, and all our team are PMP certified.